Every truck enthusiast knows that behind every great truck is an engine that just won't quit. Today, we are diving into the heart of automotive toughness, the most reliable truck engines that earn their place in history by refusing to die. These aren't just engines. These are mechanical legends. Whether it's hauling, towing, crawling, or conquering, these power plants are known for their bulletproof performance, mile after mile. So buckle up, because we are counting down the top 10 most reliable trucks with forever-lasting engines. The kind that prove age is just a number when you're built right from the start. Number 10, Dodge D-Series and Ram trucks, Chrysler. Slant 6225. Let's start with a true Dodge icon, the Chrysler Slant 6, also known as the Leaning Tower of Power. Built from 1960 to 1987, this inline six was tilted 30 degrees, not for style, but to improve oil flow and cooling. That simple tweak made it tough as nails. With a forged crankshaft, 7 main bearings, and an oversized cooling system, it wasn't uncommon to see these engines hit 400,000 miles with just regular oil changes. And they weren't slouches. Some 70s versions made 145 horsepower and 215 pound-foot of torque. Find an aluminum block version, and you've struck Mopa gold. Easy to work on, nearly impossible to kill. This engine just kept going, no matter what you threw at it. Number 9, Ford F-Series, 4.9L inline 6, 300i6. Now let's talk about one of Ford's most reliable workhorses, the 4.9-liter inline 6, or simply the 300i6. From 1965 to 1996, it powered F-Series trucks without much fanfare, but it earned serious respect. It wasn't about speed. It was built for torque, durability, and getting the job done. With 7 main bearings, a gear-driven cam, and an oversized cooling system, this thing was made to last. Whether hauling concrete, idling all day, or braving brutal winters, it just kept going. Many hit 400,000 plus miles without a rebuild. Pushing 265 pound-foot of torque at low RPMs, it was perfect for towing and hard work. Ford even dropped it into generators and industrial machines. No flash, just pure dependability. Number 8, Chevrolet Silverado, 5.3L Vortec V8, LM7. Now let's talk Chevy. The 5.3L LM7 Vortec V8 found in the 1999 to 2006 Silverado. It wasn't flashy, but it was the everyday hero of GM's small block lineup. With a cast iron block, aluminum heads, and 285 horsepower with 325 pound-foot of torque, it handled towing, hauling, and daily duty without breaking a sweat. Built tough, these engines routinely hit 350,000 miles, sometimes even 500,000, on just basic maintenance. It used sequential fuel injection for better efficiency, and its simple, reliable design made it a favorite for engine swaps. No drama, just dependable power, and a key step toward today's LS performance scene. Number 7, Chevrolet CK Series, 5.7L V8, L31. Sticking with Chevy, we've got to mention the L31 5.7L V8, the final evolution of the original small block, found in CK trucks from 1973 to 2000. This was decades of engineering boiled down into one rock-solid engine. It made 255 horsepower and 330 pound-foot of torque, plenty of real-world muscle. With 4-bolt mains, a hydraulic roller cam, forged rods, and Vortec heads for better airflow and fuel economy, the L31 was built to work hard and last. A high-volume oil pump and solid cooling system kept it running cool under pressure. Thanks to its all-cast iron build, these engines often hit 300,000 miles and are still loved by classic truck fans and hot rodders. When people say they don't make them like they used to, this is exactly what they mean. Number 6, Toyota Pickup, 2.4L inline 4, 22R. Now let's head to Japan for one of the toughest 4-cylinders ever built, the Toyota 22R. Found in Toyota pickups from 1981 to 1995, this 2.4L engine earned a global reputation for being nearly unkillable. Built with 5 main bearings, a solid timing chain, and a cast iron head, it was designed to survive anything: desert heat, icy trails, jungle roads, you name it. Power was modest at around 140 pound-foot of torque, but what it lacked in muscle, it made up for in sheer reliability. These engines routinely hit 300,000, 500,000, even 1,000,000 miles in rare cases. No fancy tech, just rugged simplicity. If you needed a truck to take you anywhere and bring you back, the 22R was the engine you trusted. Number 5, Nissan Frontier Xterra, 4.0 LV6, VQ40DE. Here's a hidden gem from Nissan, the VQ40D 4.0 LV6. Found in the Frontier and Xterra starting in 2005. It might have lived in SUVs and trucks, but this engine had serious muscle. With an aluminum block, forged steel crank, dual overhead cams, and a near maintenance-free timing chain, it was built for the long haul. It pumped out 261 horsepower and 281 pound-foot of torque, more than enough for trails, towing, or daily driving. And here's the twist. It shares DNA with Nissan's performance engines, like the ones in the 350Z and Maxima. So under that rugged hood, you've actually got sports car roots. These engines often push past 300,000 miles with little fuss, strong, smooth, and built to last. Number 4, Dodge Ram, 5.9L Cummins 12-valve diesel. Now, let's dive into diesel, starting with a legend, the 5.9L 12-valve Cummins found in Dodge Rams from 1989 to 1998. This engine was all about old-school toughness. No computers, no fancy electronics, just mechanical fuel injection, a gear-driven cam, and a 6-bolt head that held everything together under serious pressure. Power ranged from 160 to 215 horsepower, with up to 440 pound-foot of torque, making it a towing beast. The inline-six layout kept things smooth and reduced internal stress, which is part of why these engines last forever. Mechanics love them for their simplicity, and many are still running strong, some with over 1 million miles on the clock. Number 3, Ford Super Duty, 7.3L Powerstroke diesel. If the 5.9L Cummins ruled the mechanical diesel world, the 7.3L Powerstroke owned the electronic era. Found in Ford Super Duty trucks from 1994 to 2003, this engine was a Ford Navistar creation built to take a beating. With a cast iron block, forged crank, cross-bolted mains, and a turbocharged direct injection setup, it was made for heavy-duty work. Its secret weapon? The HUI, Hydraulic Electronic Unit Injector, system, which delivered precise fuel control and great efficiency. With up to 275 horsepower and 525 pound-foot of torque, it could tow like a train and run forever, many surpassing 500,000 miles, with some hitting 1 million. No wonder it's still a favorite among truckers and fleet owners. Number 2, Jeep Cherokee XJ AMC 4.0L Inline 6. Next up is a true American icon, the AMC 4.0L Inline 6, best known for powering the Jeep Cherokee XJ. Built from 1987 to 2001, it evolved from the old AMC 258 with updates like fuel injection and high-flow heads. With around 190 horsepower and 225 pound-foot of torque, it wasn't flashy, but it was rock solid. Whether you were off-roading in Moab or plowing snow up north, the 4.0L just kept going. Its cast iron block and head, long stroke, and naturally balanced design made it incredibly tough. With basic maintenance, these engines easily cleared 300,000 miles. Jeep fans still love them, not just for nostalgia, but because they flat out work. Number 1, Toyota Tundra, 4.7L V8, 2UZ FE, and finally, we wrap things up with a legend. The Toyota 2UZ FE 4.7L V8, found in the first-gen Tundra from 2000 to 2006. Based on the Land Cruiser's V8, this engine was originally built to handle military-grade abuse and extreme conditions. It featured a cast iron block, aluminum heads, dual overhead cams, 32 valves, and multiport fuel injection, delivering up to 282 horsepower and 325 pound-foot of torque. But its real strength was in the details. Thick cylinder walls, a deep skirt block, and a heavy-duty cooling system made it nearly indestructible. With proper maintenance, many of these engines surpassed 500,000 miles. Toyota didn't just make a solid V8, they built a legacy that's still running strong. These trucks and engines didn't just survive, they became legends. From towing trailers through mountains to enduring punishing job sites, these engines proved they could go the distance again and again. So next time you see one of these rolling down the road, know you're looking at a piece of history, a symbol of what happens when durability meets great engineering. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the toughest engines ever made, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite legendary power plant. Until next time, drive hard, wrench smart, and never forget a reliable truck never quits.